So we'll go through this one. Now you have 3 terms here and 3 terms here. So take each one separately and multiply the next one. So this times this, this times this, this times this, right? So x times x squared, x cubed, x times -1 minus x, x times x to the 4th, x to the 5th. And now we go back through, taking our next term. We're going to take this entire thing, the negative goes with the thing to the right, and multiply everything by this term, okay? We get minus x cubed times x squared. A negative times a positive is a negative. X cubed times x squared is x to the 5th. Minus x cubed times a minus times a minus is a positive. X cubed times 1 is x cubed. And then we have minus x cubed times positive x to the 4th. A negative times a positive is a negative. X cubed times x to the 4th is x to the 7th. Now I'm not writing them as one long chain, I'm just lining them up as I go through, and that'll make it easier to sum them up in the end. So the last thing we do is take our last term and multiply everything by that. We have x to the 5th times x squared gives me x to the 7th. X to the 5th times a -1 gives me a minus x5. Positive times a negative is a negative. X to the 5th positive times positive x to the 4th gives me a positive, this was positive, x to the 9th. And so now I can just sum everything up. 1x cubed plus 1x cubed gives me 2x cubed. Nothing to combine this with, so it's just the minus x. Here we see that positive 1, negative 1. These two would cancel out, but I'm still left with one of these. So minus x to the 5th. Negative x to the 7th plus x to the 7th. These would cancel out. Okay. And then we have a plus x to the 9th. So this would be our final answer. Writing it in descending order, we would start here. Minus x to the 5 plus 2x to the 3rd, and then minus your x. Hope this helps.